Hello, in front of me I've got Nubia Red Magic 6R. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Simply select Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, and similarly to Loyalty Card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here on the home page. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.